Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome to my channel. This reading is for Zodiac Sagittarius. So if you're a Sun, Moon, Ascendant of Saggy, welcome guys. These readings are timeless, but it will fit you the most if you're watching it in and around December 2021. Guys, my lovely Saggies, I'm a Saggies moon. I see festival, celebration, a lot of theme park visit, nature retreat, good times, marriages, parties, events. So it's so much happening around in December, guys, for you. A lot of networking, a lot of good times, joyful times, guys. I see most of you will be traveling or visiting historical places, so you can look forward. Some of you could visit some famous flower garden or some flower valley. So in case you're already planning this for December, please comment below, guys. It's a good way to, relax and stay in and around nature. Also, guys, for most of you, I have a suggestion to make. Stay up to the mark and be prepared for an important event. I see events for you, so I have a feeling that you need to be updated and upgraded to attend that event. It could be physical, it could be about your physical looks and all that makeover, or it could be about your skills, knowledge, so that all this upgradation can be tested and can be put to use in that particular event that you will be attending. Guys, there is also a celebration that I see for you, but it's not a planned one. It could be the last minute. So like I said, you need to be updated both physically and mentally. Make sure you enjoy that event or last minute celebration with all pomp and show and looking like a diva and the charming men out there. So you guys can work on that. Some of you may travel through sea. I see water travel, like on the cruise or on the through water. So I see that travel part, or you could travel to some islands or coastal areas. So that's really interesting, guys. Comment below if in case you've already planned this for December. And in case you haven't, I think most of you will travel to coastal areas, beaches, or some calm water, near to some calm water bodies. For most of you who are single, you can expect some movement to happen in your life when it comes to relationships. So you could meet the one, you could move with somebody, move in with them, or you can move from one city to another city just for love. Also, I see most of you will move or get transfer because of your job situation or career situation. So I see movement for you guys. And for few females, I see there could be a man who could ask you out, or you could travel with them to know them better, or maybe they will ask you out to move in. So you guys have to be prepared for that. And also, I see for most of the people who have had doubts about a particular person, I feel you will move to next level in that relationship. You will say yes to them, and it is going to go well. I see that it has a future thing attached to that relationship, so don't worry about that part. Most of you are moving from chaos in life to peace. So if you see a lot of chaos around you, unhealthy atmosphere, I see movement for you guys. That's a good thing. Most of you are since you're moving to peaceful times, it could also lead you to secluded places. So be prepared for that. Like I've already told you, most of you guys will be hitting the beaches, the water bodies, and places where there is a lot of greenery and it is a little secluded from the city life, from the crowded places. So I think it's a very good time for you in December, guys. Most of you can go for vacation to such places. In case you are looking for a vacation, I would suggest take up a vacation near a water body or a place where there's a lot of greenery. You deserve that. Sagittarius, you're getting peace of mind, knowledge, relief, and satisfaction in various areas of life. Watch your water intake. Drink at least 8 glasses of water, guys. I have a feeling that most of you are suffering from water retention issue or dehydration issue. So just make sure you are drinking a lot of water. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Water is very important, guys. Most of you might be having a lot of water element in your astrological chart. So in case you are a Sagittarius moon ascendant, or you are a moon ascendant and sun sign of Sagittarius, you could be a water sign of water sign also. You could be a water sign also. Guys, Sagittarius, I see you need to balance giving and receiving in December. There will be situation where you would be in the spot where you have to give a lot to others, but make sure there is a balance over there. So don't just give it away because you feel very emotional or you feel like obligated or whatever, but I feel like there should be some balance maintained. You could come across in that kind of setup or in that kind of situation where you are supposed to give. So receive and give in a balanced way. Few of you might get enlightened about specific areas of life. So I am now very interested that who these guys are. What enlightenment you are searching, guys. So please comment below in case you are. Because I see that most of you will get enlightened by ideas, by thoughts, by how to progress in your life. You're gonna get that part, that hint basically from the divine, and you have been working on that. I see major transformation from bad to good for most of you guys. I see that the cards are clearly showing it. There is a major transformation from bad. Maybe bad is not that bad, but from that bad to good. I can see that transformation. And it is also happening because you have made effort. You have made genuine efforts. You have kept yourself mentally strong. You have kept yourself in contact with divine forces. That's why this whole transformation is finally happening for you. So congrats, Sagis. That's beautiful. That's very, very, very beautiful. Guys, I just want to give you a quick advice. I see your situation changing, no doubt about it, both internally and externally. But, my dear Sagis, it's you who has to take the advantage of this auspicious possibility, of this auspicious opportunity, of this auspicious situation. It's you who has to make the best out of it. Okay, so don't miss any opportunity, any travel opportunity, any event attending opportunity, any vacation opportunity, any take a break for yourself opportunity. Just do it. Okay, take advantage of it. I don't see any other warning, any red flags in your piles. Otherwise, I would have given it to you right here. I don't like to sugarcoat things. I say whatever I feel like. So my sweet Saggies, thank you so much for listening to me. I would recommend you to watch all your 3 signs, Sun, Moon, Ascendant, to get the most perfect and accurate form of reading from my side. I'll see you around. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.